Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here again. Another Easter DIY craft idea for you guys. This time, now excuse my fingers, I've been doing non-stop craft projects this weekend. So this time we're going to be using these big jumbo plastic Easter eggs. Now I bought these for $3 from the reject shop, and they're clear on one half and coloured on the other. So those are the eggs we'll be using for this project. Now, like I said again, I'm hopeless when it comes to craft projects because I start out thinking I'm going to be doing one thing and it ends up turning into something else. So I apologise if I don't have all the stuff here that I'm going to be using, but this is what I thought in my head I'd be using at the time I'm doing this video. So yeah, we've got some coloured wool here. We have some faux flowers, all different varieties. These packets here, these are like paper scrapbooking type flowers. Those I picked up off eBay. We have some leaves, craft leaves, which again, those were from eBay. We have some gauze, not sure if I'll be using that. Have a couple of embellishments here and some more paper flowers there. So this is what we're starting with, and if I add any more different elements, I'll be sure to let you know where I get them from. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start by giving these eggs a coat of chalk paint. And again, like all my projects, I use a homemade chalk paint recipe, and I will leave the recipe in the description box below. So, like most of my projects, I start with painting the whole egg in the chalk paint. Our eggs are dry now. So what I'm going to do now is I've got some Gesso or Gesso. I don't know how you really say it. This is like a water-based primer that you can use to prime like your paint surfaces and things like that. And it also helps to stick like different textures onto your egg. So what I have here is just some gauze, and that I actually got from like a what do you call them, the triangular bandage that you could get in like a first aid kit. And yeah, I just sort of used that to get my gauze. So what I'm going to do is just to create some texture on this egg to start with, and just to stick the gauze onto the egg. Take a little bit of this stuff, and this will just help to sort of adhere it to the egg as well. And you don't want to stick it flat. You want to create like a little bit of bunching up with it as well. So our egg is now all dry, and this is all stiffened up reasonably. So what we're going to do now is just start decorating it. So I'm using my trusty hot glue gun, and hopefully I don't scald myself like I normally do. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to be leaving it these colors or whether I'll just be spray painting completely over the top of it. So bear with me, we'll see what we end up doing. Okay, so I've finished gluing everything on. I'm in two minds whether to now go over and spray paint over it in sort of like different colors, but I don't know, I'm really liking the color combination that it is. It's sort of, I don't know really what it is, but I'm just really liking the color combination. But my original idea was to now use some spray inks and actually spray over it to make it, yeah, like a different color. But I'm not sure. I think I really like the way it is. And I've just got this little glass bowl that I'm just going to display it on like that. So I'll set it up and show you what it looks like, and I'll see how I go. Like if in the next few days I'm not liking it, I'll spray paint it and then I'll obviously add it to this video. But if not, I might just leave it as is for now. I quite actually like the colours in that. I didn't think I would, but anyway, I'll set it up and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so here's the finished egg. Now, I'm not really sure about it. I don't know if I like it or not. I don't know. It looks a bit weird to me. But what I might do is I'll let it grow on me for a couple of days or a day. And if I still don't like it by tomorrow, I might spray over it with some coloured inks and see if that might make it a little bit nicer. I don't know. I asked my husband what did he think of it, and he said, what the hell is it? So yeah, this one might be a fail, guys. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching, and still, I mean, yeah, maybe skip this one. Happy Easter, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.